Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the iPad so readings are reliable. First, make sure the device is on and at least 20% charged or plugged into power. Unstable charge skews estimates. Once done, update to the latest iPad OS if available because battery diagnostics improve accuracy. Now open Settings and tap General, then about to confirm your model and storage. This step matters because capacity targets differ by model. Having the model ready lets you interpret percentage numbers correctly as you proceed. You'll now get the key metrics. Go to Settings, then Battery, and choose Battery Health or Battery Usage depending on iPad OS. You should see maximum capacity as a percent. That's current battery capacity versus new. Read peak performance capability to know if the battery limits performance. Also scan the last 24 hours and 10 days usage charts for heavy drains or charging patterns. If the percent is below roughly 80%, performance or runtime will noticeably degrade over time. You'll finish by deciding what to do with the numbers you found. If maximum capacity is under about 80% or you see throttling, plan a battery replacement via Apple support or an authorized service provider. Once done, make sure to export screenshots of the battery screen as proof if you seek warranty service. If numbers look inconsistent, restart the iPad, ensure iPad OS is current, and run a full charge cycle to recalibrate reporting. If issues persist, request a diagnostic from support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.